Hi everyone, let us round off the numbers to the nearest hundred. Okay, now let's say we have a number here which is an example 274. To round it to the nearest hundred, we have to put the number in its place value. So we'll say here 4 units, 7 is tens, and 2 is hundreds. Okay, so then we're going to put out the hundreds because we're looking to the nearest 100. Okay, so we say 2 is 100, spot, then look at the number next to 2, which is 7. 7 can give any number next to it, which is 5 or more than 5 can give 1. So we say 2 plus 1, so 2 will become 3 and 7 becomes 0 and 0. 4 will become 0. Okay, let us take this example. We have 718. To put in its place value, 8 is units and 1 is tens and 7 is hundreds. Spot out the hundreds which we are looking for. Okay, we're looking for 100. So the number next to is 1. 1 is less than 5, so it cannot give 1 to 7. So 7 we write as it is, and we add 1 will become 0 and 8 will become 0. Let us take this example. 653. 3 is units, 5 is tens, and 6 is hundred. We spot out hundreds, which is 6. We look the number next to it is 5. 5 can give 1 to 6, so 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 will become 0 and 3 will become 0. Let us take another example. 832. So 2 is units, 3 is tens, and 8 is hundreds. Spot out hundreds. Next, the number next to it is 3. 3 cannot give 1. So 8 will remain as it is, and 3 will become 0 and 2 will become 0. 469. 9 is units, 6 is tens, and 4 is hundreds. So spot out the hundreds which we are looking for. See the number next to it is 6. 6 can give 1 to 4. 4 will become 5. 6 will become 0 and 9 will become 0. Then we have 183. So this is units, 8 is tens, and 1 is hundreds. Spot out the hundreds which is 1. 8 is more than 5, so it can give 1 here. So we say 1 plus 1 will be 2. 8 will become 0 and 3 will become 0. Okay, so we have 356. 356. 6 is units, 5 is tens, and 3 is hundred. Spot out the hundreds. We have 3. So 5 can give 3 1. So 3 will become 4. And 5 will become 0. 6 will become 0. Okay. 8,472. So this 2 is units, 7 is tens, 4 is hundreds, and 8 is thousands. So spot out the hundreds. Here we are. Look at the number next to it. Is it 5 or more? Yes. So it is 7. Will give 1. So we write 8 as it is, which is 1,000, and 4 plus 1 will be 5, and 7 becomes 0, and 2 will become 0. Okay. This number here, we have 4,205. So 5 is units, 0 is tens, 2 is hundreds, 4 is thousands. Now spot out the first thing, hundreds. Which is 100 here? 2. Number next to it, is it 5 or more than 5? No, so it cannot give. So we write 4,000 as it is. 2, we write it 2 will be the same. 0 will be 0 and 5 will be 0. Okay. Another example, we have 7,253. 3 is units, 5 is tens, 2 is hundreds, and 7 is thousands. So spot out the hundreds which we are looking for. 2. 5 can give 1 to 2, so 2 will be 3. So it's this 7 for 1,000 will write as it is. 2 will be 3, and 5 will be 0, and 3 will be 0. Okay. We have 966. So right here units, 6 is units, and 6 is tens, and 9 is hundreds. Spot out 9 is the 100. So number next to it is more than 5. So we have to write plus 1. 9 plus 1 will be 10. So we write here 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Then we have 6 will become 0, and another 6 will become 0. Okay? Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment, and thank you for watching.